You will be known as iconic. You will be known as the first person in the family to become a millionaire, to run a successful business against all odds, to achieve great success and be seen as a leader in whatever field you are in. You had to go through a lot. You had to handle a lot and work through a lot. Many blockages, many setbacks. People trying to steer you off your path. People trying to doubt your skills and your talents in the hopes that you would too. People laughing at your ideas and your goals because they were too far-fetched in their view. Too out of the box. Too weird, too wacky. How can you sustain a career with an idea like that? Whether they said that or not, that's what they felt. But you are going to be the first to showcase that despite your originality, your brilliance is going to propel you into major victory and success. Some of you are going to do something that has never been seen before from anyone in your town, your city, and your family especially. Something unique, original, unorthodox, and yes, you will be able to make money from it. This is something futuristic, something so out of the box. And many people after you, for generations to come, will follow suit. You see, you keep investing in self, investing in your goals, and Spirit is urging you to continue to keep honing your skills, your talents. Keep believing in you, even if other people are not cheering for you, because I feel that for some of you, you haven't got the backing or support that you may have wanted. It could be one or two family members, or maybe a bit more, that do believe in your dreams. Some family members, unfortunately, don't want you to make it because it will highlight their discrepancies and it will also highlight the time that they wasted. But you are moving towards major success and achievement against all odds. And these individuals, whether they're family members, ex-friends, whatever the case is, doubters, haters, from group, clubs, organizations that you belong to, will have to witness your victory. And they will also have to admit that you are iconic. You are a legend in the making. Your voice speaks words of wisdom. You're able to connect with many different people. Some of you have podcasts. Some of you are on social media. Some of you have a huge following on social media and you are helping the collective. Some of you are teachers. Some of you are engineers, creators. Some of you are activists. And you are spreading your love to those that need it. You're helping to uplift others through word, through action. People can sense your fairness and your balance within. You are a graceful warrior. Outwardly, you appear modest, poised, and graceful. But when you are doing what you do best, you are a formidable foe to many. because many know that they cannot stand beside you. You are the best in your field. You are intimidating because your focus and determination is unmatched. You do not rely on your outer beauty or what you have in the bank. Your focus is purely on talent, and no one or nothing can take your talent away from you because your talent is innate. In the past, you may have downplayed your brilliance, wanting to be humble. You knew that you stood out. You tried to blend in. But with a talent like yours, you're supposed to shine. Yes, it's good to be humble. But Spirit is saying, enough with dimming your light. You have allowed other people to try and block and stop you. You have played into their hands by playing small. And even then, when you played small, these individuals who are jealous of you still were not a match. You may have given them room to shine, and they still didn't shine as bright as you did. You see, they don't have your work ethic. They don't have your mindset, your drive, your experience, your creativity, your resilience, your power. They don't have it. You do. That's what you are going to be remembered for. How unstoppable you are. How creative you are. So you're breaking down an old paradigm now of what used to be. You're not hiding yourself anymore. This is your time to shine, and you will do so unapologetically. And those that try to steer you off your path in the past will be left heartbroken. Those that try to keep you in line to appease their own ego will feel at a loss, because you're here to bring change. You're not here to stick to the status quo. It's outdated. Yes, you have values. Yes, you are traditional in your own way. You are moral. But you're here to bring change. You're here to bring something fresh and unique to the masses. And many people for future generations to come will be copying your formula, will be following your lead. And those that choose not to, well, they can get left behind, because you are the new wave. You are bringing different cultures together to uplift the vibrational frequency of this universe. What you are going to do has never been done before and will never be done again. You are an innovator. Your skills and your talents will restructure whatever field you are in. You will be seen as the face of your role, of your job. You will be viewed as the standard, the blueprint. So it's time to shine. Your time is now. Whether that means you get started on what you want to do, because your future self is going to be so proud of you, and your future self is depending on you and what you do now. You are going to be known as iconic. You have work to do. You or the people who are mentioned in this reading could be of the signs Leo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Taurus. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Leo, Virgo, Aries, Aquarius, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, or Venus. What you're going to do is going to be historic. What you're going to do is going to change many lives. And you will be remembered and known as an icon.